Hi team, Mr. Rator here. Yeah, we've got another situation here where we're going to use the cosine rule again involving the triangle, and what we need to do is draw the triangle first, just draw a quick sketch, and then from there we'll see how we're going to move on. So first of all, let's just sketch out triangle. Gone again, sketch meaning it doesn't have to be accurate, we just want to roughly get something out there so we got some information and makes things a bit easier. One thing I would say for sure, when you go to triangle, it says KLM, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Go and label triangle in that order. So that's KLM. So here we go. KL, K to L is 4. L to M is 7 centimeters. I'm imagining. It's no unit status, so don't worry about that. So, and the angle LKM is 45 degrees. And remember, this is an exact one. It's going to give us an exact value, that 45 degrees, and it does want the exact length for KM. Where's KM? KM. We'll call that X, just to make life a bit easy. Okay, here we go then. So we've got a triangle here. We've got a side and an opposite angle, and we've got two sides adjacent to this angle. So it is cosine rule. So let's just start with the side. This side is opposite that. So we've got 7 squared is going to equal, now the two other sides, we've got 4 squared plus x squared minus, then it's 2 times those two sides times each other, so it's going to be 4 multiplied by the x multiplied by the angle, cos of the angle opposite this side 7, which is 45 degrees. Okay, so let's just put some values here. So we know that 7 squared is 49. Again, if you want to double check any calculations, you got a calculator, there's a whole calculator paper, so don't worry about that. And 4 squared is 16. X squared is just x squared. And what we got here is we got 2 times 4 is 8x. Okay, 2 times 4 times x is 8x. Now cos 45 is root 2 over 2. Okay, now root 2 over 2, those 2's are going to cancel. 8 goes into 2 goes into 8 4 times. Okay, so we'll do that in a second. And let's just brush things up here. So what we got here, we got x squared by itself. We got the 2's are going to cancel, that's going to go, so that's going to be 4. So we just half that, so that's going to give me minus 4 root 2 x. And we've got 16 on this side, and we're going to take the 49 to the other side. Okay, so we're going to get 16 minus 49. That'll give us minus 33. So we're taking that to the other side. That's going to give me minus 33, which is all going to equal to 0. So let's just recap that. Make sure we've done it accurate. We've got the x squared there. We've got minus 8x, which we've got a half is minus 4. Minus 4 times root 2 is minus 4 root 2, and we've got it multiplied by x, and we've got the 16 take away 49 is coming to this side, so that's going to be minus 1. Alright, sweet. Now, it does want an exact answer, so what I'm going to do suggest here is you can do one or two things. You can put it through the quadratic equation and work it out that way, but I'm going to do a bit of complete the square because I prefer to do the complete the square as that's where the quadratic equation comes from. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce brackets here, put the x in this corner, minus, and I'm going to half 4 root 2, which is 2 root 2. Close that off, and because it's completing the square, this bracket has a square outside. Now we must take this squared off, so let's just think about here. Let's just say, what is 2 root 2 times 2 root 2? 2 times 2 is 4. Root 2 times root 2 is just going to give me 2. It's going to be 4 times 2, which is just going to give me 8. So I need to take off 8. That's already got minus 33, which is the end of that. Okay, so what I've done is I've put the x in that corner, half this, and put it here. And then I'd squared 2 root 2, which establishes 8. I'm taking that off because that's going to give me something extra. And we already had minus 33, which is at the end. And that's going to equal to 0. Alright, now 8 minus 8 minus 33 is going to be minus 41. So I'm going to take, that's minus 41, take it as plus 41. So I'm going to get x minus 2 root 2, put the square outside, and take that to the other side, which is going to give me 41. Now, opposite of squaring is square roots, so I'm going to get x minus 2 root 2 equals 41 square root. Don't forget, when we square root something, we get a plus and a minus. And then I'm going to take this minus root 2 to the other side, so x is going to equal 2 root 2 plus or minus 41 square root. Now, just be careful, because when you got 2 root 2 minus root 41, that's going to give me a negative, and sides of a triangle can't be negative, so the only solution is going to be x is going to equal 2 root 2 plus root 41, since x has to be positive. Okay, so yeah, that's the exact value of km. So that equals that. And if you want, you can call that here as km. All right, sweet.